Hello everyone, as you know, we are discussing class 10th English book Footprints Without Feet. And the most interesting thing is that the name of the chapter is also Footprints Without Feet. So, in this chapter, we will learn few characters. Okay, firstly, we will learn characters of this story, then we will learn anything more. Okay, so next thing is that the latest target of Horace Denby. Horace Denby's latest target was Shotover Grange. He had read about the details of this house and its safe behind an old planning in magazine. Okay, it had jewels worth £15,000 in it. Means he had already made a plan that he wants to rob Shotover Grange. Okay. Next thing is planned robbery. After reading the magazine, he made a plan for robbing Shotover Grange. Means here he carefully studied the house for 2 weeks and planned the robbery. After reading the magazine, Horace Denby made a plan to rob the Shotover Grange. Entered Shotover Grange. Next heading is that entered Shotover Grange. One day when the servants had gone to see movie, he came from the back garden. Means here Horace Denby came into the house of Shotover Grange through a back garden. Took the key from the hook in the kitchen door and entered the house. Okay, he made friends with the house dog by calling him with his name Sherry. Attack of hay fever. Means here we can say that attack of hay fever. As he was about to open the safe with gloved hands means he had already weared a glove in his hands. He started sneezing. When he entered into the house of Shotover Grange, he started sneezing. He had an attack of hay fever. Means nowadays we are knowing that many people's avoiding to have a cold. So here he had a fever, so he started sneezing. The pollen grains from the flowers on the table caused it. Why he was sneezing? He was sneezing because he wants to. So here attack of hay fever as he means Horace Denby. Just then he heard a voice from the doorway. Means was about to open the safe with the gloved hands. He started sneezing. He had an attack of hay fever. The pollen grains from the flowers on the table caused it. The confronting the lady in red dress. Okay. Just then he heard a voice from the doorway. A pretty woman in red dress asked him if he had hay fever. Horace was taken aback. He tried to scare the woman by threatening to hurt her, but she was not scared. Next thing is that lady tricks Horace. The lady posed herself as the mistress of the house. Means here Horace Denby was cheated by a plan made by lady. So the lady posed herself as the mistress of the house and told him that she could let him go and not inform the police provided he opened the safe for her. She wanted to wear the jewelry in the safe at her dinner party that evening, but had forgotten the number code to open the safe. Means here in short we can say that Horace Denby was cheated by a a smart lady. She made a new plan, and here the plan of Horace Denby was not succeeded. To please the woman, he removed his gloves because he wanted to please the woman, so he removed his gloves, lighted a cigarette, and with the bare hands opened the safe for her. Horace left Shotover Grange. Horace left Shotover Grange happily. Okay? He went back home to plan robbery at some other place. He wanted to buy 3 new rare books earnestly from the robbed money. Arrested by police means here on the third day, a policeman arrested him for robbery at Shotover Grange. His fingerprints were found on the safe. Here, in this way, by the bit plan of the smart lady, Horace Denby was arrested by the police because he had removed his gloves and his fingerprints were found on the safe. Nobody believed Horace's story when Horace told the police that he had opened the safe for the lady of the house. Nobody believed his story because the real lady or the owner of the Grange was sharp-tongued old lady of 60. Okay? Horace was cheated. In fact, the lady in red dress was another thief. Means here we can say that a thief is cheated by the thief. So here in fact the lady in red dress was another thief who had cheated him by posting to be the lady of the house. Horace in jail. Horace is now assistant librarian in jail. What makes Horace angry? He could never forget the lady who had cheated him for many years. Means we can say that for 15 years he was not cheated by anyone, but just now he was cheated by a lady, so he became angry. He gets angry to hear honor among the thieves. Okay, so in this way we can say that a thief is cheated by a thief. So in this way we can say that bad works always gives bad result and good works always give good result. So don't do wrong work. Okay guys, so this is your homework. You should learn this story in your own way.